Hey everyone, welcome back to daily episodes of yteamhotwheels. In today's episode, let's check out some new releases by Matchbox as a basics. A 2024 Matchbox number 93 out of 100 is a 1972 Lotus Europa. This color looks beautiful and there's even a subtle gold trim on the side panels and bonnet. A 2024 Matchbox number 90 out of 100 is the Volkswagen ID4. This year this car got a white paint job and it looks better than the previous colors of dark blue and red. This Volkswagen model will be hitting Australian roads sometime this year. A 2024 Matchbox number 68 out of 100 is the Holden VF Commodore SSV. Matchbox have done a great job with this casting, and it's great to see an Australian vehicle in the lineups. A 2024 Matchbox number 59 out of 100 is a 1941 Cadillac Series 62 Convertible Coupe. This classic car makes its entrance in a bright blue this year. Silver detailing on three sides, front and both side panels, plus the beautiful chrome base. A 2024 Matchbox number 48 out of 100 is a Tesla Roadster. A Matchbox is pumping the Teslas out at the moment. In fact, this is the third color of a Tesla Roadster this year. Front and rear detailing with the number plate marked 0 emissions. A 2024 Matchbox number 44 out of 100 is a 2022 Ford Bronco Sport, arriving in a dark green metal flake shade and paired with the gold rims. This one looks flash. It comes with a front and rear detailing and has a different look to the first release last year in the light blue. A 2024 Matchbox number 9 out of 100 is a 2016 Nissan Sentra, appearing in a dark red color following on from the metal flake blue last year. Front and rear details with a rear number plate in photo 3 label Nissan. A 2024 Matchbox number 76 out of 100 is a Freightliner M2 106. This fire truck has never looked so good. In this recurring theme, a standout livery in fire truck red and bold traffic yellow stripes. The all-new upcoming M2 kits in US stores. This is the latest releases from the model kit series that have arrived in US stores. This set comes with the wheels, tires, engine, axles, elevator and a screwdriver. Everything is to assemble and customize your car. So check out a sneak peek of this complete lineups with the chase models. A MLGB models presents a Honda NSX NA1 and Extra modified. Color of the cars are white Valerie, a bicycle version including roof fighter, a ordinary version including roof fighter plus trailer, and a luxury version including roof fighter plus trailer plus other accessories. Limited up to 699 units. Made from die-cast. Releasing on June 2024. A TPC Models presents a Nissan Skyline GTR R32. Color of the car gun grey. Limited up to 499 with and without figure. Made from die-cast. Releasing on July 2024. A XF Models presents a Ferrari Testarossa. Color of the cars are red, blue, white and yellow. Made from die-cast. Releasing on June 2024. So check out a sneak peek of this complete lineups. So collectors, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications. See you next time.